Hi, how was your school today?
It was good. We had a test.
Oh, which subject was it?
It was English. It was not too hard.
That's great. Did you study last night?
Yes, I studied for 2 hours.
Good job. I studied math yesterday.
Math is difficult for me.
Yes, same here. I like English more.
Me too. It's fun to speak and write.
What time do your classes start?
At 8 o'clock in the morning.
That's early. Do you eat breakfast first?
Yes, I eat bread and milk before school.
That's healthy. I drink tea and eat eggs.
I like eggs too, but not every day.
I can eat them every day.
Do you take lunch from home?
Yes, my mom packs my lunchbox.
That's nice. What does she make?
Rice, vegetables, and sometimes noodles.
Yum! I love noodles.
Yes, they are quick and tasty.
Do you have many friends at school?
Yes, I have a few good friends.
That's nice. What do you do together?
We talk, play games, and laugh a lot.
That sounds fun. I like my friends too.
Friends make school more enjoyable.
Yes, we help each other in class.
That's a good thing to do.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like science. It's interesting.
Oh, really? I like art more.
Art is fun. You can draw and paint.
Yes, I like using colors.
You must be good at drawing.
A little. I just draw for fun.
That's nice. I like music.
Oh, can you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Wow, that's cool. Since when?
Since last year, I practice every weekend.
That's great. I want to learn too.
What do you do after school?
I take a short nap first.
Me too. I feel sleepy after class.
Then I do my homework.
Good. Do you play outside too?
Sometimes I play badminton with friends.
That's fun. I ride my bicycle.
Oh, I love cycling. It's good exercise.
Yes, and the air feels fresh.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Sometimes, if I finish my homework.
That's good. What shows do you watch?
Mostly cartoons or funny videos.
Cartoons are relaxing after studying.
Yes, they make me laugh.
Do you sleep early at night?
Not always. Sometimes I sleep late.
You should sleep early. It's healthy.
Yes, I'll try. What time do you sleep?
Around 10 o'clock.
That's a good time. I'll do the same.
Good. We both need rest for tomorrow.
Yes, another busy school day ahead.
Okay. See you tomorrow at school.